Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix SSL on Wix website. So in order to do this, first of all open your Wix dashboard, then navigate to settings and navigate to SSL certificate. So after navigating to settings, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to SSL certificate option and check if your SSL is enabled. If not, click the activate SSL button. Now, SSL activation may take up to 48 hours. After activation, refresh your website and see if the SSL error is gone. Now, if you're using a custom domain, make sure that it's connected to Wix properly. Go to settings, navigate to domains and ensure that your domain is pointing to Wix. If it's a third-party domain, follow Wix DNS setup instructions. Now, you can clear browser cache and cookies to avoid seeing outdated SSL info. After clearing, refresh your site to see the updated status. Now, mixed content occurs when some elements of your site are served over HTTP instead of HTTPS. So review your site for any links or resources like images or scripts that don't use HTTPS. Update these HTTPS to ensure full security. And if you're using free Wix plan, SSL might not be available. Upgrade to a premium plan to enable SSL and enjoy a secure connection. And if the issue persists, after following these steps, you'll have to basically contact Wix support. Navigate to support.wix.com, scroll at the bottom of this page, click on contact us and they can assist you with SSL related issues and configuration errors. So that's the simple way through which you can fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.